Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Karen. I hope you're all having a fantastic week. I have a little treat for you guys this week inside this box because I was contacted by the lovely David, who is the marketing director with a company called Rhjc, who manufacture e-files amongst other equipment as well too. Anyways, he had asked me if I would like an e-file to review and demo, etc, etc. And with me having an e-file that I love at the moment, I thought, well, no, I can't be greedy because I don't need more than one e-file. So I had said to him that I would be happy to do an unboxing and have a bit of a giveaway with it as well too. So we're going to have a peek inside the box, but before we do, I'm going to show you the Rhjc website so you can have a little look, and then we shall take a peek inside. Okay, so having spent a bit of time going through the website and reading, I'm really impressed with the detail of information that's actually on the website. That is some of their products, some of their e-files that they manufacture as well. There's just loads of information on there, and some of it is really helpful and insightful. As you can see, there's even articles there, sort of like, advice on how to choose the right e-file for you. And reading through it, there's just lots of really helpful tips and advice, etc, etc. So it's really good. I would highly recommend you to have a look through their website because it is quite eye-opening. And as well as that there, whenever you do look at the products, each of the various products, come with online manuals, etc. And, all the details, the charging time, etc. So it's all on there, as well as videos, video demonstrations. So it's really good. As well as that, they've got a really good customer service as well too. If it's anything like the emails that I've been back and forth with David, they're really helpful. So they have a very good team on hand to guide you through and help you choose an e-file that's right for you. Okay, so now on to the unboxing. As you can see, everything is really well packed. This is the body of the e-file, which I must say is very, very, very similar to my own personal e-file that I have done a video on as well. So yeah, you've got the British plug there, obviously with this being a giveaway. If it goes to someone international, you will obviously need to buy your own adapter or potential plug for that, but I'm sure that can be arranged. There's also a handy little, obviously you've got the cradle for the handpiece, but there's also a little holster there, a little black holster as well, should you want to attach it if you are on the go. And this here is the handpiece, which is just a lovely black handpiece, and it has a little bit in it. One thing that I will say, whenever you do use a e-file, always keep a bit in the handpiece. That is really important. So make sure that you keep something in there at all time. And another thing to note as well too is that your e-file is only as good as your bits as well. So make sure as well, if you're going to invest in a good e-file, make sure that you also invest in good e-file bits. I can definitely say that from experience because I have used cheap and cheerful ones compared with as well too some really good ones, and I have to say the difference it's significant. So if you're treating yourself to an e-file, definitely treat yourself to some good bits as well too. This here is the length of the adapter lead, which is probably about, I want to say maybe about 1.5 meters, 2 meters. So yeah, it's a pretty decent size lead. But obviously with this being portable, this is something that you can charge up wherever you want to, and obviously move the move the e-file about. And that's the wonderful thing, is that no longer is it a case of depending on really long adapter leads, especially if you're in an awkward position where your nail desk is. So that's what I like about portable files as well. So that's the e-file. So let's test it out and see what it's like. Okay guys, so now that I have it all set up, this here is the on-off switch. There's also an LCD display screen, and to change the rotation, what you do is you simply push that in and it will change as well from forward to reverse or vice versa. So yeah, so it's really simple and easy to use. So I'm going to go ahead now and let you guys listen to how light it actually is. That's it on 15, 22, 35, and that is so incredibly quiet. It's really, I mean, I don't ever use mine, my own personal Efile, up past, usually up past about 18. So, I mean, that is so quiet. So you'll have no bother chatting away to your clients. No bother at all. Okay, so jumping in now for a little test drive on a practice nail, and I was really eager to see what this felt like, especially having experienced both ends of the spectrum when it comes to e-files. My first one was really cheap and cheerful. I bought it on a online marketplace, shall we say, and yeah, it was not the best. And the one that I have now is more of an investment piece, but I absolutely adore it. So that's why I was so keen to see what this here one felt like, and I must say, I was not disappointed. It really is a lovely e-file to use. Very, very comfortable, very quiet, no vibrations, you know, a really good speed range on it. And the charging time is 3 hours, but you have a duration time of over 25 hours of operation. So it's really, really, really good. And I like the wee digital display as well too. It's such a nice compact design, easy to move about, great for mobile techs. And yeah, so I really like it. I think probably the only critical things I would say is I would love a longer lead for where my plug sockets are and that there. If I was going to keep it connected to the power all the time, maybe a bit of a longer lead would be helpful. And I do like a separate rotation switch, but other than that there, I have to say what it comes with is fantastic. So it's a beautiful e-file, and whoever wins it is going to be a very, very, very lucky person. So yeah, so that's me just finishing off there. Really enjoyed that demo. And I also just wanted to quickly mention about the lead here. This is the lead that connects the e-file to the handpiece, and it's a lovely, soft, pliable lead. It's very comfortable. Again, it doesn't get in your way, and it's not one of those awful hard ones. It's just really nice and pliable. So before I get into the giveaway details, I just wanted to say as well that all the details for Rhjc are in the description box below. So if you're thinking of purchasing an e-file and you want to buy one for yourself, whether you are starting out or you are a seasoned pro with a lot of clients on your books, do get in contact with them, and their team will be happy to talk you through the process and what e-file may be best for you. So coming up now, giveaway details, where one lucky person will get to win this very model here that I have, this one that I have demoed. So yeah, so fingers crossed and stay tuned for the information. Okay, so now for the giveaway info. Entrants must be 18 or over to participate. It is open internationally, so wherever you are in the world, you are more than welcome to join in. And to enter, all you have to do is leave me a comment telling me why you'd like to win it. Make sure that that's in the YouTube video comment section, because that's where the winner will be drawn from. It closes midnight the 7th of July 2021, that's British Standard Time, and the winner will be chosen by random comment picker and announced on Wednesday the 14th of July 2021. So make sure that you look out for that announcement. And also, I would be super grateful if you kindly considered sharing the video, because the more the channel blossoms, the more fun giveaways we can arrange. I'll also be putting some lovely, gorgeous, wonderful nail sugar goodies in there too. A nice little nail art bundle. So good luck, everyone. I have my fingers crossed for each of you individually who are entering. Also, a big thank you to Rhjc for sending me this Efile to unbox and demo for you guys. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great week. See you all next time. Bye.